the smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung top-load washing machine. It features stylish design, magic filter, waterfall and air turbo. Its stylish design with enhanced round edges is complemented by the diamond drum, which ensures damage-free wash, and an intuitive LED control panel, which is easier to see and safer to use. To keep your laundry perfectly lint-free and cleaner, the magic filter is positioned low in the washer. Unlike the ones in conventional washers, it traps lint effectively, no matter the water level. It's easy to clean by simply detaching and dusting. Waterfall provides powerful water spray falls for a thorough rinse. It distributes water and detergent evenly for a perfect cleanse. The air turbo drying system allows air to be drawn in through dual vents, creating a whirlwind of drying power. It spins hard and fast, so you can save your time, and dries excess moisture by circulating air. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung top-load washing machine, life.
Presenting the Whirlpool White Magic Royal 6.2 kilograms fully automatic top-loading washing machine in shiny grey color. The Whirlpool White Magic Royal top-load washing machine is equipped with the advanced sixth sense technology that senses the wash requirements and automatically executes the appropriate wash cycle to give you the perfect wash. The machine is equipped with smart sensors which can automatically sense and indicate low voltage and water conditions. These sensors can also sense the weight of the laundry inside the tub and recommend detergent dosage accordingly. Its unique power scrub action creates superior agitations that helps in knocking off tough dirt to give a thorough wash every time. The clothes rub against the 1. Drum, 2. Agipella bottom and 3. Agipella. The Whirlpool White Magic Royal washing machines are programmed with an automatic tub clean feature. During every spin cycle at the end of drain, this machine starts spinning with water and creates a centrifugal action which cleans the tub of any impurities or dirt. Also, with the zero pressure fill technology, this tub fills 50% faster even when the pressure is as low as 0.017 MPa. Invisible to the naked eye, the advanced magic lint filter automatically collects and cleans the lint from the machine during the spin cycle of every wash with the help of its centrifugal force. This automatic feature removes the need for any manual intervention from your side. Whirlpool White Magic washing machine comes with an easy-to-use 3-button control panel to take care of your washing needs. Other important feature of this machine is Express Water Wash, which reduces wash time for less soiled clothes, thereby saving energy and detergent. This machine also gives you the option of washing your clothes in hard water without compromising on softness and color of your clothes. By allowing a 3 to 24 hours delay in the wash cycle, the Delay Wash program enables you to set the time for your laundry to finish as per your convenience. One of the most unique features of this machine is that it allows reuse of water so that the same water can be used for the next wash load. This machine comes with a child lock that ensures no button is operated if child lock is activated. This washing machine comes with 2 years comprehensive warranty on the machine and motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Godrej presents Eon Audra washing machine, equipped with a turbo 6 pulsator and AccuWash drum that is strong on dirt but gentle on clothes, giving your clothes the perfect washing experience. Available in a 6, 6.5 and 7 kg capacity. A 5-star BEE rating for optimized energy consumption and higher savings. The wash tub is made of stainless steel. It ensures a hygienic wash and also prevents bacterial growth on the tub. The appliance uses a turbo 6 pulsator that has 6 ridges that create strong water motions inside the tub for better penetration of detergent and easy dirt removal. It also features a quick wash, that is a 29-minute wash program for mildly soiled laundry. The toughened glass lid provides enhanced strength to the unit. The machine's thoughtfully designed 9 wash programs are carefully programmed to wash your clothes depending on the stains for an effective wash. The child lock function prevents keys from getting accidentally pressed, avoiding any interruption to the wash cycle. The LED digital display shows the remaining program time and allows user-friendly access to the machine's features. Available with a 2-year warranty on product and 10-year warranty on the motor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.